Group of Mexicans come and put a new roof on the house and they charge $900. So you put $900, but you don't put it all the way on the line. You put it farther back. So you go to give them the thing. You go, hey, you know what? Are you going to deposit this? Like, are you going to go cash it? I can cash it. I got the cash right now. And they go, yeah. I'm going to cash it. I go, what? You want me to cash it? Yeah. Okay, well, here, sign the back of it. Whatever your whatever numbers you have for your license, if they have a license, like write your license number, whatever, your social security number, whatever, but write all there so that I can 1099 you at the end of the year. Yeah, no problem. These roofers and stuff, and they're not licensed. So they're never going to claim any of this money. So I can 1099 them. So I give them $900, take the check, and I write $3,900. And then I go deposit it. It comes out of my business account into my personal account. And it looks like I just wrote him a check for $3,900. And the next check, I do the same thing.
Obviously, that would be tax fraud. Now, let me break down why. First, the IRS expects all of your paperwork to match. And if you claim $3,900, but the contractor only did $900 of work, the IRS is going to want to see paperwork that ties to $3,900 and that actually supports that total amount. There's no real invoice. That's going to be a huge red flag in the event that you were flagged for an audit. Second, the 1099s. You can't file a 1099 with fake names or numbers and expect nothing to happen. The IRS has a system in place that will cross-check this taxpayer information that you're reporting on the 1099. And if the info doesn't match, then the return can get flagged. And this can trigger penalties for incorrect information, and you can face backup withholding issues as well. These aren't small fines. They stack fast, and they stick to you, the business owner themselves. This isn't something that you can pass off to the contractor. And even worse, if the facts look like intentional misreporting, you can escalate from civil penalties to actual criminal exposure as well. Overall, the bottom line is fudging invoices and 1099s to hide income is a fast track way to bad documentation, audits, and then penalties and interest and a lot of headache. My advice is just don't do it. And if you're tempted because of cash flow or messy books, there's better and legal ways to keep more of what you're earning. Clean bookkeeping, accurate documentation, and actual tax strategy. If you need help sorting it out, talk to a CPA, a tax attorney, and then again, your books are your defense, so you need to keep them clean. No commingling and no mismatching numbers across checks and invoices and things like that. Feel free to comment questions that you have about taxes, and I'll answer them in the next videos.